Here you have the fifth lesson in your geography, natural vegetation, and wildlife. Here the introductory part explains in India we have different types of flora, fauna have, and different types of plant species, that is number of plant species, animal species, and flowering plants all have. We move on the important topic, and this first one, natural vegetation. Natural vegetation means the vegetation grown without the human support is called natural vegetation. And if the natural vegetation grown left undisturbed for human interference for long term is called virgin vegetation. And the virgin vegetation is two types. Those vegetation come to India or in India, that vegetation called endemic plants or indigenous plants. Those vegetation from outside India, that is called exotic plants. We usually refer flora for plants and fauna for animal species. Different types of flora and fauna we have because of the diversified feature of relief, that is land and soil. Land is directly or indirectly influence the growth of plants. And the next one, soil is also influence. That means we can see that or we know that in a desert region we can see only the cactus type of plants are grown. In the marshy or wetlands we can see the trees, that is a mangrove, that can be grown in marshy and wetlands. That means the soil and land also influences the diversification or diversity of the flora and fauna. The character and extent of natural vegetation is mainly depend upon the temperature, the humidity in the air, precipitation and soil, and the variation in altitude, variation in the day, and variation in latitude, and it also create variation in the sunlight. If the sunlight get in those place which the vegetation is grow very fast in summer days, and the precipitation, those area get heavy rainfall, precipitation say heavy rainfall, there have the dense forest or dense natural vegetation as compared to less precipitation. Environment, different types of animal species and plant species are interdependent with each other and interrelated with each other, and thus forming an ecosystem. An ecosystem, the plant species and animal species, they are connected with each other or interdependent with each other. In the ecosystem we can see different types of flora and fauna, different types of plant species and animal species that we called it is a biome. Biome can be identified on the basis of plants. Next topic, that is different types of natural vegetation. First one, tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, montane forest, mangrove forest, and thorny bushes and scrubs. These are the classification of natural vegetation.